Hi friends, my name is Usman and in today's video training we are going to look at Python dictionaries. So what are Python dictionaries? Dictionaries are used to store data, values in key value pairs. A dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable and does not allow duplicates. Dictionaries are written with curly brackets and have keys and values. So let's get started and see dictionaries in action. The IDE I'm using is PyCharm. You can use any IDE you want. So let's create a new file, Python, and rename this file to dictionary. Okay, and save this file, close bracket. Okay, now let's define a dictionary. This dictionary is equal to curly braces, and as we said that dictionary is key value pair based, so let's say country United States, city, or let's say state, New York, and city also New York. So now we have a dictionary. This dictionary is called this dictionary. Let's print this dictionary to console. Okay, and let's run the program. Go to run and select dictionary. Okay, so you can see we have printed out the dictionary on the console: country United States, state New York, and city New York. Dictionary names can be referred by using the key. So let's say if we want to print the value of country within the dictionary, so we write print this dictionary and country, and let's run the program. So you can see we have United States, and now let's print out the value of state. Run the program again, and now we have New York. Duplicates are not allowed in the dictionary, but what if you define a duplicate key within the dictionary? Let's see what happens. Run the program. Okay, you see we have country United States, state New York, and city Washington. So basically, if you have key value pairs with the same key names, the last one gets a priority and the previous one is overwritten by the next one. So duplicates are not allowed. There are two ways of retrieving the value against a key from the dictionary. One way is to pass the key in the square brackets, and let's run the program. So we have New York, and the other way is the get method on the dictionary, and let's run the program. So we have the same result. So you can use both approaches of retrieving the values. Okay, what if you want to fetch all the keys from the dictionary? So for this purpose we have a method called keys. So let's print out this dictionary.keys and run the program. Now we should get the list of keys within the dictionary. Okay, you can see we have country, state, city, which are the keys in the dictionary. Okay, let's see how you can add a new key value pair in the existing dictionary. So this dictionary, and let's say area, and I say Manhattan, and let's print this dictionary again after the change, and this is before the change. Now run the program. So you can see the difference. We have added a new key value pair called area and given the value Manhattan to this key. Okay, now let's see if you can return all the values present in the dictionary. So there's a method called values, and when you run the program you can see we have all the values returned from the dictionary. Okay, what if we want to print all the key value pairs within the dictionary? So for that we have a method name called items, and let's run the program, and you can see we have printed out the items within the dictionary as tuples in the list. Okay, let's see if we want to find a key in the dictionary. We use the in keyword. If state in this dictionary, print yes, the state key exists in the dictionary. Okay, let's run the program, and okay, you can see we have yes, state key exists in the directory. So that's how we can check if the key exists within the dictionary. Okay, next let's see if you want to update the value of some key within the dictionary. There's an update method, so let's do that. This dictionary dot update, and let's pass the key value pair, and let's say city and colon Washington. Okay, but let's print the dictionary to see if the dictionary has been updated. Okay, you can see we have successfully updated the city from New York to Washington. Okay, now let's see if you want to remove an item from the dictionary. There's a very simple method called pop, and you just need to pass the key to the pop function, and let's print the dictionary to see if the city key has been removed. Run the program. You can see the city key is no longer there, and it has been removed from the dictionary. Okay, let's look at another example. Let's remove the state from the dictionary. Run the program, and you can see state has been removed from the dictionary. There is another function called pop item, and let's see what it does. It basically removes the very last item from the dictionary, which was city New York. Another way of removing the item from the dictionary is using the del keyword. So del this dictionary and pass the key within the square brackets. Let's pass country and then print the dictionary. You can see we have successfully removed the key value country United States from the dictionary. And the next method is called clear. The clear method basically clear all the items from the dictionary, and it empties the dictionary. Now let's run the program. You can see we have an empty dictionary now. The clear function have removed all the items from the dictionary. Okay, let's look at how we can loop through the dictionary items. For x in this dictionary, colon print x, run the program. You can see we have printed out the values from the dictionary against each key. This for loop printed all the keys from the dictionary. What if we want to print the value of each key within the dictionary? We just pass the iterable variable x to the dictionary in square brackets and run the program. Now you see we have the values. Another way of doing this was looping through the values and just printing the x variable, which will present the same result. Same is true for keys. And let's run the program. You can see we have printed out the keys by using .keys method within the loop. Okay, what if we want to print both key value pairs from the dictionary using the for loop? For this we use xy notation, and we use this dictionary.items function, and in the print function we pass in x and y. Now let's run the program. You can see we have key value pairs printed out on the console. Okay, let's see how you can copy a dictionary into another dictionary. For this we have a method called copy. Another dictionary is equal to this dictionary dot copy. This will make a copy of existing dictionary and copy it and create a new dictionary with the name another dictionary. And let's print the contents of another dictionary. So you see we have successfully created another dictionary. Another way of doing this is using the dict structure and passing the existing dictionary to this function. And let's remove the copy function and let's run the program. You see we have the same results. A dictionary can contain dictionaries, and this is called nested dictionary. So let's create a nested dictionary, and let's create dictionary within this dictionary. So let's copy this here. Okay, and create another dictionary. Okay, and we change it to United Kingdom, change it to London and London, and let's create another one and change this to, let's say, Germany, and we change it to Hamburg and change it to Hamburg. Okay, now we have a nested dictionary. Let's print it the console and run the program again. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to give a key to each dictionary within the main dictionary. So let's name it dictionary 1 and colon. Copy this, paste it here, make it dictionary 2, copy it here and name it dictionary 3. Okay, let's run the program again. Okay, now you can see we have got the nested dictionary. So we have dictionary 1, which contained the items from dictionary 1, then we have dictionary 2, and then we have dictionary 3. So that's how you can build nested dictionaries and nested dictionary in Python. There's another way of doing the same thing. Dictionary 1 equals, okay, copy the content from here, paste it here, and then define dictionary 2 and equals, copy the contents of dictionary 2 from the nested dictionary and create dictionary 3 equals, and copy the contents from dictionary 3 and paste it here. So we have now 3 different dictionary objects. Okay, now let's see if we can create a nested dictionary from existing different dictionaries. So what we can do is we create a nested dictionary object and dictionary 1 colon, and we pass in dictionary 1 as a parameter, the value pair. Okay, dictionary 2 and sorry, okay, colon dictionary 2, and then we pass in dictionary 3 and dictionary 3. Okay, let's run the program. You see we have got the same results. So if you have existing dictionaries separately, you can create a nested dictionary from the existing ones. Okay, that's it for this training video. In the next training video of Python, we will be looking at condition and statements as well as loops. So see you next time in the next video. Take care. Bye.